What's up everyone, it's Samuel here, and today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on the Lunar. Here's an example of the trick. The first step in getting this trick is you want to hold this in Tama grip. You want to hold it in Tama with your right hand if you're right handed and your left if you're left-handed. And you want to make sure that when you pull it up, you're going to grab the serrato like this. And then you're just going to give it a little spin when you pull it up sideways like that and catch it on the Lunar like that. So you can either grab the serrato or you can grab the Ken. Actually, I find myself oftentimes grabbing the Ken when I do the trick. So yeah, either way, you can grab the serrato or the Ken. I guess I would suggest doing the Ken, and you're just going to give it a little spin sideways and catch it on the Lunar just like that. This is a very tricky trick. So yeah, it's just give it a lot of time. When you pull it up, you don't want to do it too fast. Like that. You don't want to do it like hastily. You want to make sure that you're steadying the Ken in between tries. And make sure that you're really cushioning it nice and soft, just like I did there. And also make sure that you're bending your knees when you're learning tricks. It's best to bend your knees. I know I didn't bend my knees in the example, but it's really good to bend your knees when you're first learning a trick. I think that's just crucial. And even when you already know the trick. So, yeah. Give it a little spin like that, and make sure that you're really cushioning it on the Tama when you're going to catch the Lunar. Alright, I guess that wraps it up for this tutorial. If you liked it, make sure to leave a like, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.